I need to take a chill pill, need to calm down, need to do my woo-saws, just relax, relax.
Perfect.
Right, so this is the video you have been waiting for. All the palaver with this Jordan 1 University Blue and WOT. And yes, I'm gonna say WOT. It's not GOAT anymore. No way, Jose. Worst of all time. So just like Craig David, we're gonna rewind Bo Selector and all of that. Let's start from the beginning. About a month or so ago, I ordered these Jordan 1s from WOT. I paid a hefty price, import taxes, delivery, all of that stuff. And for me, it's not really that bad. Once in a while to get you early content, that's what I'm here for. But as soon as I opened them, and you can judge from that reaction on that video, something was off straight away. Not only the smell, but the QC issues on the sneaker and the inconsistencies in terms of how they both look to one another. Now, don't get me wrong, I've been in this game long enough to know that Nike's QC isn't the best, and Jordans fall under that as well. But to the point where they look like two different shoes. Not only the smell put me off, the textures on the sneaker didn't really match up to one another. But one thing I didn't tell you guys is I had to make my own lace holes.
Bruh.
Can you believe it? Some of the lace holes on this sneaker weren't even cut through properly. Now, I don't know about you, but paying so much for a sneaker, I expect the lace holes to be cut. Whether it's because it's QC or they're fake. Regardless of that, WOT should never have let these pass. Now, not only are they meant to check authentication, they're also meant to check quality control. My first time buying off their app. And the reason why it is my first time is because they're over in America. With StockX, they've got London warehouses, so the process isn't as complicated. There's less import taxes, there's less fees to pay. So that's why I was so hesitant to buy it off WOT. But regardless, I was like, let me just get them in. Now fast forward, after conversing with them on emails and all of that stuff, they stopped replying. They were like, look, we're very busy, we're gonna get back to you as quick as possible. I was like, cool. I'll wait a week or two, no dramas. But nothing. I tried to reply to them again, nothing. But I was like, hold on, I bought with PayPal, so why don't I go through their buyer protection thing? And they stepped in, they were like, look, if they don't reply within this time frame, we're gonna step in and get a reply or get your money. So I was like, cool, finally something's gonna happen. So they had to step in for them to actually reply. So PayPal were like, look, you're gonna get a refund, you just have to send the sneakers back. I was like, finally, someone sorted it out. So I went back to WOT to try and talk to them about potentially getting my refund on import taxes and the return postage as well. I wasn't really counting my chickens because I kind of knew what they were going to say. But this is what they come back with. They said because I went with my financial institution, they are no longer going to reply. I was like, bruh, how can someone run a company like this with such bad customer service? Not only did you let these sneakers pass your QC authentication process, you're then saying my customer service is no longer offered to you. I was like, you know what? You lot, you have lost a customer for life. Load of people are gonna see this. About 14,000 people have already seen the original video. So you lot, you're done. You're done. You're not done in terms of me being a big channel, but you're done from me. I am not ever gonna spend a single penny with you. So I went back to PayPal, told them the situation. They were like, look, we can only offer refunds on the initial transaction. And also the postage will be refunded as well. You just have to sort that out somehow. So I was like, that's cool. They helped me out with that. But I am sending these off tomorrow. The date is the 18th of March. When the whole refund is processed and everything, I'm gonna pull it all together and give you an update like that. So you could say this is the first half to the whole update video. But hopefully I'll see you very soon with a full refund and the return postage as well. But before I close this part of the video off, just comment down below if you've had any bad experiences with WOT. And technically, I'll see you in a few seconds. The 30th of March, I got my refund. I'm gonna go back to the initial transaction. So the day I bought the trainers, I bought them on the 10th of February. So you're telling me all of that drama to send back trainers that were potentially fake. I don't even care anymore if they're real or fake, honestly. So it took about almost 2 months. Do you know what? Because I'm the bigger person, I'm 28 now, I look about 45, I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, okay? I'll be the bigger person. First time and last time buying off that app that we shall not name, WOT. But let's slow down a bit. I'm not gonna let this one-off situation put me off for life. I'm just gonna be very careful in terms of what trainers I buy off there. I don't think I'm gonna buy a trainer again that's not been out yet, just because it saves me from all this heartache. Now, the problems I had with that sneaker potentially was fake, and for me, I really felt that one of them was fake. The lace holes weren't even cut properly. I had to cut about 2 of them out myself. The materials were all off, the shape was all off as well. And yes, I know, I've already said it, the QC issues by Nike have always been a problem, but to that extent is actually crazy. Now, I've had some blinders before, but never on that level. But I guess it's one of those things, you take a risk buying early trainers and look what happens. So I'm just gonna be wary about buying off there again. Now, this is the last time I'm speaking on this topic, whether they're fake, they're real, this and that. And this video has blown up. It's almost at 20,000 views looking at it right now. And it wasn't clickbait, bruh. Come on, look at my reaction. I was so heartbroken. I'm not one of these sneaker YouTubers that does all that nonsense. But even though this is the last time I'm speaking on this topic with the Jordan 1s from Woat, I might have another video involving Woat. But I'm not gonna count my chickens before my eggs hatch. I'm gonna give it a few days and hopefully I'll get this video done for you. I'm just so glad I got this drama sorted out, honestly. And if it's one thing you can learn from these set of videos, is always go through PayPal or a trusted platform. I can tell you this for free, if I went straight through my bank, this palaver probably would have taken about 6 months. So PayPal, thank you so much, honestly. Not only did they get my full refund back, but they also paid for half of the postage. So just like shoulders, knees and toes, I need to head out and run some errands. And I'm really hoping you've learned something from these set of videos. Whatever platform you're buying from, just make sure you are careful. But anyways, you know what to do. Hit me up on the Instagram if you have any questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And of course, until the next video, take care.